All right, folks, here I go again with another gorgeous vehicle, something that you don't see every day come through here. This is going to be a 2017 Chevy Tahoe SSV. This is going to be the 4x4 police prep Chevy Tahoe. Vehicle does have 129,000 miles. This was a former highway patrol or state trooper vehicle. Original black on black from factory, not a repaint. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is in immaculate running condition and shape. And let me tell you folks, she looks super sharp, she looks great, she does look mean, and she drives amazing. All right folks, here we go. 2017 Chevy Tahoe SSV package with 129,000 miles, fully serviced, ready to go. Window tint from the department that appears to be like a medium shade on the rear only. No tint on the front. I repeat, no tint on the front. Once again, vehicle is original black, so it does have minor scratches, but nothing big or major to worry about. It does have about maybe 2 or 3 dings that are hardly noticeable, but that is about it. This is gonna be a E85 flex fuel vehicle, okay? Folks, I do have backup sensors along with a backup camera for this particular unit. I do have holes on the roof where those antennas are. So yes, I went ahead and put antennas on the roof. It's a lot cheaper than having it painted. I do have the tow package right here. Tow package right there, folks. Let me zoom in here real quick, clean this up here for you guys. Those are the specs for this tow package. All right, fair enough. Let's keep walking. Clean this up over here. Folks, the vehicle does have scratches. Once again, this is not a repaint. She is in immaculate running condition and shape. And she does look sharp and she drives amazing, okay? I do have the original factory black steel wheels with the black center caps, as you guys can see. I do have clear lenses in the front. I do have one new used LED spotlight that I did install back in the vehicle. Just so you know folks, I do have holes on the front bumper cover from the possible police lights. There is one on each side. Hole, scratch, possibly road hazard. All right, let's go inside of the vehicle. Let me start from the back. All right, folks, this is the back. Everything is there. I do have intact, what do we call that? Headliner. I almost had a brain fart there. Backup camera is right there. Panels are in place. I do have a factory, what appears to be like a leather type seat. Seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floors with matching floor mats. Everything is in place. Driver's side seat shows a little wear, but it's still comfortable. Passenger side seat is intact. It looks like nobody ever sat there. Steering wheel is in excellent shape. I do have a nice looking dash, no holes on here whatsoever. The honk did not work. Let me turn this on. Vehicle does have 129,000 miles. Folks, as you can see, the honk is not working. I probably missed this one. I have to look for the wire and connect it back up. Stereo does work. Nice and cold air conditioner. Everything does work in the vehicle. Let me clean this up here real quick. Folks, I do not own the rights to the song. I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Lights do work, dome lights do work. LED does work. Nice and cold air conditioner, folks. Nice and cold air conditioner. Let's go on the roof, under the hood of the vehicle. Go through the services. I do have a nice set of Firestone Firehawk tires. This is the paint once again. It's all original, folks. Does have little scratches here and there, but nothing major to worry about, okay? The fan is working, doing its job as it should. This is the famous 5.3 liter engine. You can hear the fan winding down right here. Folks, if you're looking for a nice looking SUV 4x4, I got just the vehicle here for you. Fully serviced, and once again, she doesn't need anything whatsoever. All right, here we go. I do have 8 new AC Delco Iridium spark plugs, brand new AC Delco wires. Air filter was fine, so I went ahead and left that alone. I did replace the cabin filter. I do have full synthetic 020 oil service. Make sure it's Texas. Folks, before I forget, that transmission, this is gonna be a 6L80E, was completely rebuilt. I did purchase the vehicle knowing that it had a bad transmission, and I went ahead and had that transmission completely rebuilt. It does have 1 year warranty, 12/12. That's what that means. All right. Along with that, throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I went ahead and had a BG fuel system treatment performed on the vehicle. Brakes are around 80% all around, so I didn't have to replace any brakes. I do have 2 dual batteries in this particular vehicle. So I have one here, so that'll be the secondary battery. Okay, this is in most cases the police vehicles, this is how they come set up. Okay, also folks, something that I had to replace on the vehicle, it was the vacuum pump for the brake assist. The vacuum pump was replaced along with the tube that has the solenoid in it. AC Delco parts, do not use anything else. I went ahead and paid the money for the AC Delco parts at the dealership. For those of you that are not familiar with this vehicle, most of all the parts that are out there are gonna be dealer item only. Okay, dealer item only. So yes, the vacuum pump for the brake assist was replaced. Am I forgetting anything else? Let me see. It does have new drive belts, new AC belt, and the belt for the vacuum pump is also new. Sorry, that's just my fingerprints right here. Sorry folks, I'm already dirtying your car. Shame on me. Just playing. All right folks, this is it. If you guys have any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me, email me. This car is going for sale tonight, and I'm sorry, I want to apologize in advance, but these vehicles are not cheap. I did pay the money for this vehicle, pay the shipping for this vehicle, had the vehicle completely rebuilt, restored, and I did make sure that she was solid and road ready and safe for you to drive. So let me tell you, I did not cut any corners when it came to spending money on this bad boy. I just can't. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. If not, I'm not even gonna mess with it. Okay? I even have a pair of new Bosch wiper blades. I mean, who does that, folks? Go find someone else that's gonna take care of you like I do. All right, people call me crazy because they're telling me I'm doing too much. But you know what, hey, this is the way I wanna work. Why? Because I know you're gonna be happy with what you're buying. And all you have to do is just take it to the gas station and your local DMV and get this bad boy registered. Folks, if you got any questions, comments, and you are interested in buying this vehicle, please feel free to give me a call, text me, and I will be more than happy to talk to you, okay? This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and you guys have a great week ahead of you, a great weekend. Thank you, take care, and God bless.